If you're paying hundreds every month for ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or Shopify, then this video might save you thousands. Hi, it's Alex here from Brainstorm Force, and I didn't use ClickFunnels for years, and I'm glad I didn't. The reality when it comes to online business and funnels is that the majority of businesses are paying around $297 a month for services like ClickFunnels. That's $3,500 a year just to keep your funnels online. Take a look at this invoice. And to be clear, this isn't my invoice, but this is what I see creators and entrepreneurs paying every single month. When it came to creating funnels for my businesses, to be honest, I went down a bit of a funnel building rabbit hole. I tested platforms like Kajabi, ClickFunnels, and Shopify stacks, and I always came to the same conclusion. Why on earth would I pay hundreds of dollars a month for something that I don't even own? Now, those of you that know me know that I'm a WordPress guy. I set up all my businesses on WordPress. I've been using it for many, many years, and I absolutely love the platform. So to me, it was the logical choice to create funnels with. There's a few misconceptions when it comes to WordPress. One of them is that WordPress websites can be slow. Now, of course, speed matters. Speed is conversions. The faster the page, the better the conversion rate will be. So let's do a real test right now. So here's the start of a funnel on a WordPress website. Let's run this through Google PageSpeed score and see what we get. I've also got the start of a ClickFunnels funnel right here too. Let's run that through the Google PageSpeed score as well. They're both the same type of page and they've both got the same goal. And as you can see, they've both got very similar Google PageSpeed results. They're both fast. And this isn't just my opinion. These are real results from Google. So when it comes to having a super fast funnel, it's easily achievable with WordPress. Another reason why people stay on a SaaS platform like ClickFunnels over WordPress is simply down to fear. They might be thinking, WordPress is hard, WordPress is technical. What if I break something? Well, this is the moment that changed my mind, and it's when I discovered CartFlows. You can try CartFlows for free. Just install it from within the plugin section in your WordPress dashboard. Or if you want to unlock the advanced features, I'd recommend that you go for the $25 a month Pro version. That's on an annual subscription, and then you'll unlock everything you need to make some amazing funnels. Let me just show you something real quick. I'm going to jump on the computer and show you how super easy it is to create a funnel. So here I have a WordPress website that's running CartFlows Pro. To create a funnel, I simply click Create New Funnel. I've got all these wonderful templates that I can choose from and, of course, then edit. So maybe this online yoga course is a good fit for me. You can check out the preview right here and then just click Import Funnel, give it a name, and then import funnel. I do need to quickly assign a product, so you'd create a product within WooCommerce, going to settings, and then you select product. For this funnel, it's a free opt-in, so I need to select a free product. I've actually got one added. It's just called the Yoga Guide. Add that, save the settings. We can adjust the opt-in form here if we like. Let's just close that. Now this funnel on the checkout page, we have a product that we can sell, so I can add that here. It's the yoga course, the advanced yoga course, that's it. Click add, save that. Got options here, of course, for order bumps. You can adjust the checkout form, dynamic offers, and other settings. But for now, I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to get the funnel up and running. So that's it, we're done. We can take a look at the landing page. That's ready to go. And of course, if we want to edit the design, we just simply click Edit Design up the top. And this works with all your favorite builders, including Spectra, the block editor, and Elementor, amongst others. And then, yeah, we can just, change whatever we like in the usual WordPress way. It's super easy. So this is our landing page. If we enroll in the free course, we'll then go to the checkout page. And then down here, it's a lovely page. we've got our checkout, which will add the advanced yoga course. Again, this page is completely customizable. And then we've also got our thank you page, which I'll show you right now. If we click enroll, and checkout is already populated, there is our thank you page. Again, you can edit it to your heart's content. So super quick, super easy with CartFlows. And there we go, a super easy funnel, no code, no developer, no techie stuff. For me, WordPress is the perfect platform to create funnels with. Yes, back in 2015, maybe WordPress was a little clunky and a little techie, but now in 2026, it's the perfect platform for your funnels. With tools like CartFlows, they remove the hardest part and they make it so easy to create high converting, beautiful funnels. You're not starting with a blank page, you've got loads of templates to choose from and you've got a proven structure to work with. But let me be super honest with you. Is WordPress perfect? No, of course not. You do have to choose some really good hosting. You are responsible for your updates, but this can all be managed really easily, and it gives you total control over your platform. For me, this isn't just about platforms, it's about leverage. Sure, you can rent a platform on a SaaS service, and that might work for you, and I wish you the best of luck. But if you want to own your platform, your business, and your future, WordPress wins. If you want to find out exactly how to create funnels with WordPress, I'll link to some videos below. Do go check them out. There's some step-by-step guides down there that will make it super easy for you to get up and running really quickly. I've been building funnels with CartFlows for quite some time now, and I absolutely love it. Do go and check out CartFlows. You can find it over at cartflows.com. It's 100% free to try CartFlows Pro, so why not give it a try today?